So yeah, I just wanted to sort of talk to you about your experience. We talked a little bit on the phone already, but just sort of like maybe telling me just a little bit about, your journey, so to speak, finding us just online. I know you mentioned that, but yeah, like how did you find Green Home Systems? And then ultimately, why did you decide to go with us when you ended up speaking with us or anything?
Sure. Yep. My husband and I have been kind of going back and forth with actually doing solar or not doing solar for many years. But we finally just figured it just made sense. We had the property to put a system on, and, the more we learned about solar, the more we liked it. And he decided to kind of do an online search, and he found you guys right away. And so he saw, reviews were great. The company looked like a really good company to go with. And he had talked to some people and they were very knowledgeable. And so they just kind of walked him through the process and what was, going to happen, what would happen, and just very knowledgeable people and very friendly too. And we were very happy with the customer service aspect first. And that's what kept us going with you guys, was just, people were really nice. So
Yeah, that's great. We love to hear that. Of course, we want to, we love to make sure that everyone feels comfortable, and it's really important that everybody feels that, our homeowners feel like they know what they're getting into and everything. So it's really great to hear that you felt supported in that way. What would you say is like a few positive things, that you could share with us about, your experience now, or was there anything else specific at all? If not, that's okay, but just anything else you would like to share.
it was just really easy from start to finish. It was just very well laid out, planned out. Everybody was really easy to work with. Everything was, subcontracted out quickly. We were surprised at how fast it came together. And how, I don't know, just how easy the whole process
Yeah,
was. You know, Amazed.
that's great.
So,
Like streamlined. Okay, that's so great. So,
exactly.
did you happen to give any referrals, or did you have any referrals? I know you found us online. Sorry about that, but did you happen to give any referrals?
We actually had, as we were going through the process, my father-in-law decided to go solar, because we were talking so many good things about it and he couldn't resist. So yeah.
He ended up installing.
Yeah. And we have a couple of people still interested in it, that want to know more too. So there is more people that we may even be able to refer later. So
Oh, wonderful.
yeah.
Oh my gosh, I'm so happy to hear that. And yeah, just, it's obviously serving the greater good, it's serving your community. It's just wonderful to hear. So,
Yeah.
well, that's just about it. Thank you so much for taking the time to hop on here and do this. And we're just so happy and thrilled that you're, first and foremost satisfied with the service, and, with solar in general. It makes, us feel great to have more solar powered world. And it's just
Right.
homeowners like you that we're glad to work with.
Okay. Thank you so much.
All right, thanks.